Hi guys, this is an unboxing of a electric chainsaw that we're going to assemble. So it consists of the chainsaw attachment adapter and you have the grinder. So let me open it. Press the grinder. So this is a standard 4-inch 100 mm angle grinder. So you can use pretty much any grinder with that specification. So this one is a bit higher wattage, so 820. Normally you have either 600 or 650. So I opted for this one. So that's the angle grinder. And this one is the chainsaw attachment adapter. Yeah. So we're gonna be using one set to assemble. So this is the grinder, came with 3 cutter. Then yeah. So I like this one because it has a throttle here. Yeah. The normal grinder has a just a simple on and off. So this one has a throttle. So you can lock it if you want. Yeah. So it's 820 watts. Vanderbilt. I don't know if it's original, but yeah, doesn't matter. And it came also with the wrench and it's a manual guard, disc guard, and then this one is an unbranded adapter. This one is the more tricky to assemble. Yeah, most likely we will not need that. We only need the grinder and maybe this one. Maybe not even this one. So that side. So these are the handles. No, it only has one handle. Sorry, one handle. Then you have the chain. This one 11.5 long. And the guide bar rather 11.5 inches. Yeah. So this is reversible. You can do it either way. Yeah. And this is the guard, yeah, to protect. And then this is the shroud for the chainsaw. And these are the things that came with it. Yeah, so that the chain goes around there. And I think this is the cover for the oil. Yeah. Where does this go? Anyway, we'll figure it out later. Here. Yeah, breather. Alright, cute. So, okay, so this is how to assemble this. You have this rubber. Yep. Goes there. And then you have this semicircle thing. Mama is arriving. We're stuck outside. And this one goes here. So to secure that, you need 2 pieces of bolt. Like that, and then the other one goes here. Yeah. Okay. So after tightening these 2 bolts here, I don't know, it's called a sprocket. Yeah, the sprocket, and there's a nuts there, which fits into here, so that it doesn't, it rotates with the shaft. Yep, and then to secure that, you use the this bolt, this ring. So to tighten that, there's a lock here. Yep. Now press that one, and in the two, you lock it in place. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's good. That's secure. And then just the chain bar. So this one is for the slack adjustment. Yeah, slack adjuster. Yeah, and it goes to here. So the chain, as mentioned, is reversible. So it's installed like that. Yeah. Then you have the chain. So the rotation of this goes counterclockwise. So the blade, make sure the blade is forward like that. So it goes there. Yeah. The forward edge is to the front. And yep. And then you want it there. You put the cover like so, like so. Yeah. So I have now secured it. Before tightening this, you leave it a little slack so that you can adjust the chain. Yeah. Yeah, a little slack should be good. So yeah, maybe, oh, that's too much, I think. So let's tighten it a little bit. Yeah. So it's better to use a a standard Phillips screwdriver than the one supplied. You see, it's tightening. Maybe that's enough. Yeah. Yeah. Then maybe I think about that. Yeah, a little slack. Maybe that's too much. A little more. And okay. Then using the Allen, you lock it in place like so. Don't over tighten it because this is made of plastic. It might actually crack. Alright. The last thing to install is this tool, which I did it incorrectly. So it goes like that. Yeah. So there's one more screw here that goes through there. Yeah. And since I made a mistake, you need to unscrew it again and put it back. But anyway, you get the gist. Okay, it's now fully assembled. Guard installed, the handle installed, and the only thing left is oil, but we won't be using it anyway, so just leave it like that. So it's a bit slack, which is fine. It will tighten once it's moving. So let me show you. Yeah, there you go. So it's not that easy to, it's not that difficult to assemble. So hope it helps you guys. I showed the link where I bought these items. Thank you. Bye bye.